Watermarking is one of the most professional ways to protect or brand your Word documents. And in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add both a text watermark and a picture watermark. Start by opening your document. Then go to the Design tab and click on Watermark. You'll notice ready-made watermarks, such as confidential or draft, which you can apply instantly. But if you want to create your own, click on Custom Watermark. From here, select Text Watermark. Type in your custom text, such as confidential report, and choose the font, size, color, and whether you want to display diagonally or horizontally. Next, let's try a picture watermark. For example, if you want your school or company logo on each page, select Picture Watermark, browse for your image, adjust scaling, and make it faded for a professional look. The watermark is automatically applied to every page of your document. This is perfect for branding, copyright protection, or marking important documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more word tips.